We are not going to waste any time getting to view the USA Spruce Mill and Canadian Dawson Creek lumber camps.
For here, tough, handsome lumberjacks make sawdust for our entertainment. The lumberjacks compete in pairs, one from the USA and the other representing Canada.
Watch as he thunks his axe into this tree trunk. First one to cut through the log is the winner.
Apart from chopping, they also throw axes, balance on planks to cut through tree trunks high off the ground,
See how close they can get to their toes as they chop, while standing on a felled tree trunk.
power cut with chainsaws.
And when the petrol runs out, they have hand saws.
Who is in need of a bath? Log rolling takes care of this decision. Best of 3. We have hollowed, stomped and clapped. The floor is full of sawdust and wood chips. It's been a good show.
Back on board, we watch the hustle and bustle of the harbour.
Before we in turn set sail. Slipping out past the Zuiderdam. Barges with cranes on board are moved between smaller settlements to keep them resupplied.
Some really neat seaside houses. I wonder if the boom between the red buoys is some sort of boat catcher.
An older US Coast Guard vessel.
And the Coast Guard's modern replacement.
Victoria, British Columbia, next.